Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic update. It's a very good time for Luna Classic. If you're holding Luna Classic, that's amazing. We have a lot to expect from this coin right now, and this is not over, right? This move to the upside may just be the beginning and not the end actually. So you do have finally you do have that technical target up to 17,000. Now yesterday I was reading a article about on CoinGape, which is this website here, that Binance burns 4 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens. Luna Classic jumps 20%. So right now, burning 4 billion Terra Luna Classic is actually a big deal. So we talk about supply and demand, right? So the supply is being, lessened right now. So when you lessen the supply, the demand increases, and thus the prices actually go to the upside, and you have been pumping, and you just have been pumping ever since through that day. On the Discord, this was me back in 29 November when I was actually giving this call, Luna Classic, buying it at 11,809 and selling at 17,000, which we did actually were not successful. My timing was a little bit bad, right? This was back when I was giving the call somewhere here with it did take the stop loss though, and then finally pushed up like this. But then again, the latest time I was able to get Luna Classic once again, so it was kind of somewhere down here. Yeah, so this was yesterday, and we actually bought at 39.75, and the technical target is 16,700, which actually gives us this flag here, and we may be looking for that 23% victory. So far we ever since that entry we've actually been up 12% so far, and we're looking for that further 8%, and that's just how it is at this point of time. The pattern that is playing out is on the weekly, and I'm going to show you out how this looks on the weekly. Today's Sunday, the last day of the week, and so far, yeah, things are still looking good. And this is where you have your next resistance up here basically. So you might actually just stretch up to even 19,000, because that's where you have your resistance. You have a technical target up to 16,000. This was your pattern right here that we talked about, almost like an inverted cup and handle. And then from here, you're coming out to that technical target. Maybe next week you might see another little bit of a push, and then who knows, get rejected here, or just be bullish again and repeat the same thing, just the same way you broke this double bottom, the same way you're breaking this pattern. Then you come up and you have a bigger pattern to even break, and it can actually happen, should even happen, but we're going to actually see how that goes. And once that happens, so are you ready for the next move? If that happens and you break above here, then you're looking for a technical target to go from there to there, and you have a 32,000 move up, which is going to be providing a 72% move to the upside. And I do personally expect a break above here, and I've talked about it because of that falling wedge pattern that we talked about before. And that's it for this quick update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.